97 companies file opposition to Trump immigration order, Zenefits gets a new CEO, DARPA's concept for landing military drones, and more. It's Monday, February 6th, and this is Crunch Report. Happy Monday, everybody. I'm at the San Francisco Memorial Opera House, where tonight we're having the 10th annual Crunchies celebrating everything tech. Should be a fun and exciting time. But before that, let's get you some tech news. I can't wait to get all the stick to tech, not politics comments on this first story. Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, Twitter, and other tech companies filed an amicus brief yesterday voicing opposition to President Trump's executive order on immigration on the grounds that it is discriminatory and has a negative impact on business. The filing, first reported by Bloomberg, follows a week of outspoken comments from tech industry leaders against the immigration order, which barred refugees from entering the United States indefinitely and temporarily restricted travel for the U.S. for citizens of Syria, Iraq, Iran, Yemen, Libya, Somalia, and Sudan. A challenge to the president's order has reached the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals in San Francisco, and the companies intend to file their brief in this case. If the Ninth Circuit finds Trump's ban illegal, it's likely his administration will continue to appeal, and the case could reach the Supreme Court. If a company has 3 different CEOs in the span of 12 months, that can't be too good of a thing. According to the Wall Street Journal, Jay Fulcher, the former CEO of Uyala and Agile Software, is taking over for David Sachs as the new CEO of Zenefits. Here are the series of events leading up to the new CEO. Parker Conrad, original CEO and founder, left the company amid the company's compliance and regulatory issues. David Sachs, then CEO, took his place in the interim while a search was on, and now the reins have been handed to Jay Fulcher. In an email to Zenefits employees obtained by TechCrunch, Fulcher said, "I joined Zenefits because I believe this company can be an innovative and disruptive force in the industry and is poised to make a huge impact." As Snap races towards its IPO, the company is experimenting with different approaches to monetization. Following in the path of many content addicted before it, Snap is partnering with BBC Worldwide to produce a 6-episode version of Planet Earth 2 for Snapchat. Snap has been slowly building out its portfolio of partnerships with ABC, NBC, Universal, and BuzzFeed to bring original content to Snapchat users. But Planet Earth stands out as both a high-profile partnership and one that brings cross-generational content. The ephemerality of Snapchat as a platform creates hype for soon-to-disappear content, though by leveraging Snap codes, the company is hoping to give users a second chance to consume their favorite content. The addiction of tech companies to content is in many ways humorous. Despite completely different business models, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Snap, and others are all in on the expensive content game, duking it out for the attention of users and the money and faith of advertisers. What goes up must come down, and when it comes to all things flight, landing is usually the hitch. The U.S. military has devised a number of technological solutions to enable fighter jets to land on short runways and the decks of aircraft carriers at sea. But the rise of drones has created an entirely new challenge. While we wait for vertical takeoff and landing technologies to marinate, DARPA created a system to make landing fixed-wing drones possible in remote areas lacking landing infrastructure. DARPA is using what essentially amounts to a grabber to catch drones as they fly under it. The grabber is attached to a rail that moves as a hook attached to the incoming drone catches it. This slows the drone down to its final resting place in a vertically oriented net with barbs to hold everything steady. Interesting. That's the report for today. I'm Tito Hamzy. Crunch Report airs every weekday at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Pacific on TechCrunch.com. You can also find us on iTunes and on YouTube. I'm going to go have a good night at the Crunchies. Look out for some videos tomorrow, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Peace.